Okay, so look, I'm going to have a bit of I'm more than a bit upset. I run an absolutely genuine business in the UK called S Media. Um, a client in the States said to me, can I pay you by PayPal? So we set up a business PayPal account and got the client to pay, sending him an invoice, obviously. Client paid by PayPal, and then suddenly we get asked to upload loads of documents to PayPal. I haven't got a problem with doing that. I've done all that. I've uploaded all the details about the business. I've uploaded supplier. I've uploaded the invoice we sent to the client, evidence that we've done the work. We are a digital agency, PayPal. We don't send physical goods to people. Wake up, right? So our supplier is Google. So I sent in a Google invoice, as Google is our supplier. Apparently that isn't good enough. I then contacted a freelancer who works for us because we need a supplier invoice to show PayPal that we've done this piece of work. So I got the freelancer to give me her invoice. I uploaded that. That's not good enough, apparently. So, PayPal, are you a fraud? Is anybody else out there having the same problem as I am? Because now, apparently, if I click on see details on the account, it says you cannot use PayPal anymore. And we value a safer community. Well, actually, PayPal, I value my money. So you are in the times that we are in, where businesses are suffering and we are struggling for cash flow. Let's not beat about the bush. We as a business are, we're not flush for money. We've got people to pay as well, bills to pay. And you have noticed activity in our account that is inconsistent with our user agreement. We've had one flipping transaction, PayPal. One, right? One transaction. The first transaction we've ever done with you as a business. And I know other people that have had problems with PayPal since I started asking around. Apparently this goes on quite a lot and you hold people to ransom, but you can't even get hold of anybody at PayPal to ask. I've submitted help requests, no response. I don't know what I've infringed. 2 days ago it said on here I had until the 6th of November to resolve the issues, and we are now on the 11th of October, and now my account is permanently restricted. I literally do not know what to do other than I'm going to put this video together. I'm going to rank it on YouTube because that's what we do. So I don't, as I say, physically have any goods that I can send to people to say, oh, PayPal, here's proof of delivery. All I've got is a client's email to me saying thank you for a job done, and an invoice we've sent and a bill from Google PayPal. So would you like to please tell me and tell the world how PayPal is, not that your fees aren't high enough in the first place, but that's a whole nother debate. But please tell me, PayPal, how on earth I go about getting the money, my money, out of your account. Or do I actually have to sue you? What happens then, right? So, PayPal, this video will stay at the top of YouTube until such time as I get my money back. And an apology. And actually, somebody can send me a video apology saying, well, I'm really sorry, Simon, that you can't pay one of your members of staff because we are physically blackmailing you and holding on to your money, and you are not now able to access it for no reason whatsoever, PayPal. You've made me upload 4 sets of documents as it is, and that's not good enough. Ridiculous. Honestly, PayPal, you are a joke. You have no customer service. How do people actually deal with your business in this day and age? Honestly, you are back in the 1990s, it feels like, right? Get your act together. Please contact me when you decide that you'd actually like this video taken down, because the title is going to go, PayPal are scammers, PayPal are like modern day highwaymen, like stealing money from businesses, legitimate businesses. Like, if there's £3,500 in this PayPal account that I can now no longer access. So if anybody else is out there with the same problem, please let me know, because I think we should all have a go at PayPal and find out what on earth they are doing for the business community in these times. PayPal, get your act together. I expect somebody, I'll leave my contact details in the description just in case you decide you can't find it. Upload your documents to me. Email me at simon@s.media. We are a legitimate business. Check us out. Check us out on Company's House. Check out our website. Check out our social medias. And check out the fact that I've set 4 sets of documents up to you and you can't get your act together. So, PayPal, you absolute muppets, speak to me. Otherwise, this video's staying for infinitum at the top of YouTube, and it will then rank in Google for PayPal. So we shall see who would like, for the sake of £3,500, to leave this video up forever. So speak to me, and then we'll see where we go from there.